So, guys, today we'll be discussing the difference between addiction and consistency. It might shock you to discover that you are actually addicted, where you are thinking that you are consistent. You are not being consistent in what you are doing, you are only being addicted. So, what is addiction? Addiction is a strong, compulsive internal urge to do something or to take something or to do something, to engage in a behavior even when you want to stop, but it's like a kind of compulsive urge to engage in it even when you are aware of the consequences. That is the major difference between addiction and consistency. Then on the other hand, consistency is an act of reliability, a situation whereby one is committed to doing what they say they will do, what they have already carved out that they want to do. In this case, there is there is almost no consequences of not doing what you said you would do, but you have just chosen to do what you said you would do. In this, that is called consistency. There is no consequences. But when there is a consequence, and in most cases you are aware of the consequences, you could even be already suffering from the consequences of your actions, yet you feel compelled to do it over and over again. That is called addiction. So then, these are the ways you detect that you are getting addicted. Number one, you keep losing. In terms of business, if you are addicted to a business that is not good, that is not going to give you your desired result, you will lose money in that business. Then you will wait a little. The moment another money comes into your hand, you go back into the same business again. You did not go back to go and relearn the business. You did not go back to go and relearn to do how to do the work. You go back into the same thing again, hoping to get a breakthrough, a mysterious breakthrough. That is one of the first signs and symptoms of addiction. You are addicted, and you need prayers. You need prayers, if not punishment. Then that is number one. Going back to the same business or work that you keep on losing, you keep on seeing yourself going back to it, even though you lost yesterday, you go back again today. It is addiction that keeps people even in a toxic relationship. You know for sure, you know that this is not good for you. This relationship is not going to amount to anything good in your life. This is not the kind of person you want to spend the rest of your life with. Then you keep on being stuck there. That is addiction. You are being addicted. You are not being consistent. You are being addicted. And unless you know that you are addicted, your chances of deliverance and freedom from that spirit of addiction is almost zero, because ignorance is not a demon. Ignorance is it. You can go ahead and be lying to yourself that tomorrow might be your day, next tomorrow might be your day. In your situation where you are addicted, there is no future for you. You don't need a pastor, you don't need anybody, a preacher to tell you your future. Your future is doom and shame and disgrace. There is no future for you in a condition whereby you are addicted. Even addiction to food leads to obesity. Any form of addiction, if you are addicted to prayer, it will take away your ability to concentrate in every other aspect of your life. Then you will be prosperous in the spirit world, and you'll still be poor here on earth. Addiction is the foundation of poverty.